I wonder if my left hand is any good at drawing. Well, hello there, I'm Detroit. This drawing idea comes from I don't know the hell where, but it's a strange idea. It partly comes from the fact that I only draw on half my sketchbook and I wanted to spice it up. I'm drawing with both my hands at the same time. My right hand is using a Rotring Isograph 0.35 and my left hand has a Pilot fineliner. I need to use a pen like this because since I'm pretty sure I can't control my left hand, it would have been even harder with a fountain pen or another sort of pen really. I needed something that I could use at basically any angle. As you can see throughout the full drawing, I don't alternate between the hands. Oh no, that would be too easy. I strictly use both of them at the same time. Let's see what this mess turns into by the end of the process. If I'm lucky, maybe the messy left-hand drawing will turn into one of those fantastic artworks where until the very end it is weird and unorganized and at the last second you finally understand it. Or one of those where when you rotate it, it makes a really cool portrait or something. The type of art you see on a TV show or something. I really hope it's that, but that's up to my left hand. Watch till the end to know the answer. Ah crap, I forgot to tell you to subscribe at the beginning of the video. Well, you can still do it now. I'm not used to this part of making content for YouTube yet. I don't have the reflex of plugging my channel every time I can. I still do it in almost every video, but it's always when I revise my script before recording the audio that I think about it and then I have to find a place to add a sentence or two. Like, it doesn't come as easily as you would think, or as I would have thought before starting this. That's the same with the comments. I never know what to ask you guys to write in the comments. I need to get better at that. I also really need to remember to ask you to tell me drawing prompts in the beginning of the video. Nobody watches till the end usually according to my analytics. They just skip after a few minutes to see the full drawing. And you know what? I'm completely fine with that. It isn't a rant. Even 2% of the video watched is better than 0%, which is how I like to view things. This channel serves as a log of YouTube growth. Most channels I see nowadays already start with people trying to be as professional as possible, and so watching a random video, you have no idea what headspace the content creator is in. I want to show that to the world, and it's good because sometimes I don't have much to say about my drawings. I think it is important to show that too. You see, I don't want to make tutorials all the time and repeat the same art tricks over and over in every video. What you see is really what happens. My drawing ideas come and go, and most of the time not much thought is put into it. I don't want to lie and say that everything is planned and I'm the best in everything. That's no good for me. Really, you can correlate the quality of the video with the amount of thought I put into the drawing. The more I have to say about the process, the more I knew what I was doing. Here, it's not really that. I'm so concentrated on both hands at once that I am not concentrating on anything and both hands are doing weird things. Don't get me wrong when I say what I just said. I'm not attacking other art channels, of course not. I love them and having them as reference is always good. I like the variety, which coincidentally is in the name of my channel, would you believe it? Out of the people I watch on YouTube, just people that are arts related at least, I like to take a few elements for myself and blend it into my own work. I don't want to copy one person, and I would be bad at it even if I were to try. I don't claim to be as good as the people whose content I consume daily. I have neither the voice of Ergo Josh, the craziness of Peter Joes, the cleanliness of Proco, the charisma of Ethan Becker, or the humor of Joffy. And that is okay because I'm not them, quite simply. Back to the topic of asking you for drawing prompts. I would like you to tell me what I should do. Here's the context. A few months ago, I released a video where I drew a fan art of a Joffy character. At first, the video didn't do that well, it didn't got like crazy traction or anything, but a month later, with the release of another Joffy video with this character, the video suddenly got crazy views, all of a sudden. As a result, about 40 of you saw my work and decided they liked it enough to stay and subscribe. First of all, thank you so much, that is so freaking unbelievable that I don't know what to say. I can't expect the results of my videos before posting them, so it's always surprising to see it work out good. Second of all, I kinda want that to happen again, you know? It's like a high that I'm chasing, so why shouldn't I try to replicate the experience? So I'm asking you, what fan art thing would you like me to draw? Since I'm all about learning new styles and stuff, you can pretty much ask for anything and there's a high chance that I'll be interested. I also need to remember to ask that in the next digital drawing video I make. I assume most people are only here for the digital content and some others are only here for ink doodles. Not you though. I know you are here for both because you, personally, you watching this are the best. Anyway, it is good to notice that when my brain can't concentrate on my drawing hand, this is the pattern I go back to. The right hand pattern I'm drawing right now. I feel like a while back it wouldn't have been that pattern. Looking at this couple pages of my sketchbook, I think it is pretty clear which is my dominant hand. I'm not ambidextrous like Karl Kopinski at all. I had my suspicions about that, considering the fact that I haven't used my left hand in 24 years, but I needed to be sure. Just in case the universe made me suddenly incredibly talented with my left hand. So in conclusion, this is bullshit. I obviously can't draw with my left hand and it messes up my right as well, but it was a good experiment and a very fun time for me trying to not run my left hand out the sketchbook by accident. I think that it's enough for now. I will never tell you that enough, but thank you for watching me draw. If you enjoyed the content, like the channel and subscribe to the video. My Instagram is @d3_sd, and did you know that you can find stickers with a lot of my designs on them on appeals.com by using the link in the description? This is not sponsored, but I do get a good percentage on every of my stickers that you buy if you ever want to help me out. Also remember, tell me what you want to see me draw in the comments, okay? I'm Detroit, just in case you forgot. See you later, bye!